guys, welcome to Twin vs. Twin. I'm Raven.
Bailey.
And today we are making breakfast for our family. We decided not to go to church because I'm dyeing my hair today. And we wanted to make breakfast. And don't mind my hair because I just put it up and I was wet to stuff in it. So yeah. Cooking bacon.
This is going to be the fantastic thing ever.
I have to flip this more than one time. Okay, so
Look how small the pancake is.
Kaylee's making this small pancake.
To frame.
And I have to flip it more than one time, but I made them. And I still have to make all of these. And we started like a while ago, so like 10 minutes ago, it's still going.
It's not that easy. I'm going to need to like make more cake batter because I want them to be like big, but I don't want them to be like small either. Who are you dancing with? Your fans? Got any?
I have 24.
Oh yeah, we had 27, I think. Yes. I'm gonna put this at the bottom.
Alex.
This off. I hit my nail.
Why?
Kaylee's getting her nails done. Naira got my nails done yesterday. And she's getting her nails done. And I just hurt my nails, so like that really hurts. I don't know how long they're going to stay on because my nails are really short. So they're the colors. I picked this color. It's like a purplish lavender color. With fruit on it. Because I've done my hair, my tips purple. I'm really excited, literally. My aunt's doing it.
Like dyeing?
No, yeah, dyeing.
No, you're gonna bleach it.
Yeah, I'm bleaching it first and then I'm done. My hair's gonna be blonde. Can you handle that? You ain't ready for your work now. Watch me. Throw it back. Throw it back.
Oh. Can you wash all that off?
Hold on. Say hi.
Make sure that's okay.
Say
Yeah,
hi.
that's over here. Open this.
I told you to say hi.
I said hi.
You did?
Hi, hi, hi. There's more than just one. If you want to take forever.
So I'll pack it up. And it's fat enough. And I throw it back fast enough. If I keep it up. You're ready for this work now. Watch me. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we want a lot of like subscribers so we can make more and more videos. And we can go live. We just want to go live. Can we go live on YouTube?
have too much followers.
Yeah, we need followers.
We need subscribers.
Yes, subscribers. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that like button. And comment what you like about the food that we're making.
I like pound cakes and bacon. That's all I like. And I like cooking stuff.
She's crazy.
My favorite food is rice.
Oh yeah, and comment your favorite food. And comment your favorite breakfast, then your favorite lunch, then your favorite dinner.
And a pancake omelet. Yeah.
Don't touch it.
Pancake omelet I made. It's fantastic.
Stop talking like that.
I'm hot cake. It's all what I want. Ow.
Chill. No, that's hot.
That's hot too.
No, it's not.
Stop.
It's greasy. Wait, I want to do something with that. Wait.
Oh my god, I thought it sparked.
I want to do it.
No. No. Listen. It's my flipping life. I think I just made another omelet or two. You. So you're welcome. Yeah, I made another omelet.
Let's do a TikTok dance. Which one?
Another omelet.
Running
Gotta take the time to cut.
Alright, hold on.
Wait. Why do you sound like that?
Because I was singing.
Your voice is scratchy, don't.
No, it's not. You singing that.
Now take the time to come up like me. I don't wanna make a girl go crazy. When you feel like you're number one, baby.
Your voice was scratchy too.
A little bit better than yours, though, because you sing low.
I can sing low. That's how I sing.
No, don't sing low. Never sing low. I just made an omelet.
Gotta take the time to cut 'em.
I think I just made an omelet.
Let me see it. I'm gonna make it spark.
No.
I'll make you spark.
I'll make you spark.
How's it gonna spark when it's just rubber? Oh my god!
Why are you doing that? You.
Gotta take the time to cut 'em up like me.
Blue.
Gotta make a girl go crazy. Me chasing all
Blue is
the
adorable puppy. He's actually still a puppy, Raven.
I know. He's too
I don't think he's growing anymore.
He is going to grow.
No, he isn't.
They're so big and freaking strong.
Do you think when they grow their ears shrink? I know they could.
you should do that?
Ew. And you're weird.
Did you like that boy yesterday?
No.
Do you think he was cute?
No.
He said yes to mom, so he was cute too.
I said he's a little
Huh?
cute. Like just this much cute. Never said those cute. Cute. Touch me. You got me.
Oh my god, yes I do.
You gotta get it. I'm just gonna look like me.
No, Alex. You guys want some of my tea? Just trying to jump over. Gonna get burnt. Yes, yes. Okay. See how? Oh, he's so adorable.
Ow.
my leg. Oh, why do we look so pretty?
Is it because the light?
Mine scratches her whole body. Her whole leg, 2 legs.
That was
And it's still there.
hilarious.
It was still there in 2019. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's gonna stay there since I'm like 20.
Ew, then you'll have like holes.
Doy.
Then you'll have like imprints.
Doy.
You'll be like this.
A
Look,
doy.
You'll be like that. You'll be like that.
Doy.
You're gonna look so.
You should have seen that. No, I have this in me. Hold it. It burned.
Did not burn. You're gonna have holy legs just like the person across the alley.
That's not funny. She's a midget. She is. Jinx, knock on wood.
And she married a.
Oh God. Oh, I said a grown woman, not a man.
Oh my God! Wait, do you think I don't like this?
He's a drug dealer.
Plus, he keeps on yelling at her. She doesn't deserve it.
Well, she was the one who
I could
slapped
be her
her.
husband. I'm just joking.
She was the one who slapped her.
That's because she was yelling at the little one for no reason.
No, the girl slapped him.
That's because
Oh.
he was yelling at Jeremiah for no reason.
Oh.
You're gonna have another input.
Oh, that's not funny.
Sorry.
Not really hurt.
Funny.
Hold on.
Yes.
Tell Daddy you can do that.
Well, I didn't hit it, but the cat scratched my leg.
Look.
I'm gonna cough real quick.
I have to move this.
I don't know. I just put it there.
Try not to let it burn. Okay.
You like the bacon?
Yeah. Hey, listen, there's a fire under there. If that gets caught, that'll do it. Okay. So I'm gonna pull this over here for now.
Okay.
You can grab it from here.
My leg hurts really bad.
Well, I'm sure it does. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Ew! I gave him a pin.
Here, guys, I'm gonna show you how this way. It's burnt because of this. Don't. I'm not gonna do anything. Stop. I said stop. I said stop.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
I'm trying to touch it.
Ooh, that's pretty. That looks like Stitch face or Boots face. Oh no, that looks like right here, the 2 eyes off of Ice Age. That little dude.
Oh yeah.
That looks just like him. Look at it. That looks just like
Raven. I should put it under the rest of the pancake. Alright.
Keep an eye on it every time. Let it burn.
see it.
Okay.
Is that enough, Daddy? Or you want me to make all of them?
Make all of it while it's out.
Okay. I'm gonna wait till you're
Come on, Alex.
burn herself. She burned herself.
Look at the stack of pancakes that I made. Isn't
Just adorable. It's just adorable.